Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, 4 ounces. The misty gray color it produces when first sprayed helps you see where it's going also. Rub it out after 30 seconds, and it even seems to add some slight volume. If you do get that coating, it's fine, easy enough to rub out without losing the clean feeling. This is a very helpful product for women like me with thin hair that doesn't need to be subjected to water washing too frequently. This stuff really gives your hair that freshness and extra volume while also smelling bomb. Everything from the cheap stuff to the high-end products, but the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo is the best of all of them. One spray, and all the oils in your hair is gone. It comes off white, but as long as you comb your hair through, you good. Best dry shampoo out there. Smells great, and leaves no flakes. Hair feels great with it in. Not worth the money to buy it online if it's not going to last. One of the things about hair dye is that water and shampoo strip away the color. This means that your daily shampoo in the shower is shortening the life of your color. It takes away the dirty oily hair look after you spray it on your scalp root area. It is the best dry shampoo on the market. It cleans and provides volume without making hair feel weird. If you're a career gal or mom who has no time, this is a lifesaver. 5. It sprays like an aerosol, so there is no powder which turns your hair white, and also doesn't make your hair sticky, and in turn full of knots. The product also smells way too strong. It didn't wear off until the next day. Stop buying all other dry shampoos, and spend the extra couple bucks for this. It's life-changing. This dry shampoo is great. It doesn't leave a heavy residue on your hair like a lot of other products do, and it allows you to go longer between washes. Good fragrance, and works well, but leaves flakes of white powder on the scalp, and makes it look like dandruff. It is a fantastic product that actually cleans hair, and doesn't leave a build-up or smell. Make sure to follow directions, and wait a bit to rub it in so it has time to soak up oils. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.